Hi guys, picked this up in a charity shop today. Crystal radio kit. Cost me £2.99. Little cardboard, I think that is. And I can see in there there's little metal springs to go in there to connect stuff together like that. The only thing I'm not sure about is whether we'll actually be able to pick anything up, whether there is any AM signals in the area. Doesn't need any batteries. Can we get it apart? Okay, there's our bits. Yes, that is cardboard in a plastic frame. Here's our instructions. Let's go for it. Put this stuff down here and we can pick it up as required. Okay, first stage. Punch out the 12 holes. Well, they've already been punched out. And install the spring terminals. I did get a tiny bit of static. That was all I could hear. I don't know whether putting my wireless microphone next to this, you might be able to hear something. Really need to go outside and do it, don't we? So at the moment, it's 11 o'clock at night. It's dark out there. Probably good conditions, actually, but I don't think we'll get anything. What can we do? I've got a wire going out the door to a screwdriver stuck in the ground to give us earth. I've got the aerial in my hand at the moment. I've got the microphone there. I can just about hear a tiny bit of static. What I'm going to do is stick my wireless microphone on the end of that. And then see if I can create any. Then I'm going to see if I can create any static that you can hear. I'll play that back just to see if we could actually hear anything. I've just played that back and I was surprised how loud the static was. I do forget that I am going deaf anyway. So putting that directly on the end of the wireless microphone, we were able to hear static. potentially we might be able to hear more if we actually played around with the tuning and actually managed to tune into a live station. But that's made me realise that I do have a basic problem here. My hearing is not very good. So it may be working and I just can't hear it. Anyway, we have assembled it and we do get sound out of it. Whether we can actually tune into a channel, I've no idea. Hi guys, we're out in the garden. Plan is tie the aerial to the bush, stick the earth in the ground, and then probably put my wireless microphone next to the earphone, see if we can actually hear anything. So I'll put you on the tripod for now. Well, I'm not hearing anything at all. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.